Welcome everyone, this is Alex for the Coastal Spot Run. Today we're going to do another construction update of Penguin Trek. First, let's go ahead and start up in the Sky Tower to get that bird's eye look. And we'll take a closer look from here and maybe a little peek from Amanta as well. So let's go. Giant crane. There we can see the end of the brake run track and the beginning of the launch. Very neat. That B&M track, I thought it was a smaller gauge. I think it's the same gauge. I'm not sure. Here's a look at the main back portion of the ride. You can see only two supports up. They're really big. I thought everything up for this coaster was going to be a little bit smaller, but I guess not. Kind of surprised by that. Reconstruct. Go check out his photos. He's there. Only made that joke about 10 times already in 2 days. Or around about that. Here's a look at all of the brake fins on the straight track, and then you can see the LSMs on the launch track at the end there, and then you can see that there's like styrofoam covering them right now so they don't get damaged during construction. There's a kitty cat. Meow. Comment down below, how is Bumper? We have not been there for a while. Is Bumper still alive? We must know. And there are those footers that make this one of Florida's only terrain roller coasters by using built-up stadium. I was really hoping to see more track since the launch from Brake Run went up a few weeks ago now, but unfortunately, that's all we have. We do not have any planned visits to the area. We might make it out here one more time before opening, but subscribe for more. Hit that bell for instant notifications when videos do come out. So that's going to be it for our construction update of Penguin Trek. As you can see, most of the groundwork is done, so I think it's going to shoot up in the next month or so. I suspect this should be done by late January at the latest. So we might be able to squeeze in another trip early next year and stop in and take a quick look at it. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see other videos, especially construction videos, we have plenty from Orlando and all around the world.